here's how to identify the values that make a rational expression undefined. A rational expression is undefined for any value that makes the denominator 0. And such values are often referred to as restricted values. So in this example, we're asked to determine the x values for which x squared minus 6x over x squared plus x minus 12 is undefined. All we need to do is set the denominator equal to 0 and solve. So I'm going to set the denominator x squared plus x minus 12 equal to 0. The solutions of this equation will be the values that make the rational expression undefined, or the restricted values. So this is a quadratic equation. It's set equal to 0. We can solve it by the zero product rule, which just involves factoring the trinomial. So we'll set up two sets of parentheses here for the two factors. And in order to factor it, I would think what times what is x squared. That would be x times x. And then think what times what is 12. I can think of 4 and 3, which would multiply to 12. And if we make it a positive 4 and a negative 3, we'll get the middle term of positive x. When multiplying, we'll get negative 3x and positive 4x, which combine to give us positive x. And positive 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. So it factors as x plus 4 times x minus 3. The next step of solving a quadratic equation by the zero product rule is once you have it factored, set each factor equal to 0. So x plus 4 equals 0, or x minus 3 equals 0. From this, we're going to get two values of x that make the rational expression undefined. The first one is x equals negative 4, found by subtracting 4 from both sides. And the second value of x that makes the rational expression undefined is x equals positive 3, found by adding 3 to both sides. So these two values right here, negative 4 and 3, make the rational expression undefined, and sometimes people refer to those as the restricted values.